Good afternoon. My name is Mathias Radziwill. I do the business development for plastics. And we're here today at the NPE show in Orlando. And I want to bring some of our highlights, presenting some of our highlights to you guys. One of the highlights is the digitalization story that we are presenting here with this machine, and the other topic I'm going to talk about is about the Industry 4.0 or Industry Internet of Things topic that we demonstrate here on the Mindsphere system. So Siemens increase engineering quality and allows to commission production machines faster via virtual commissioning. This is what we show here, and the way it works is that just like during a real commissioning, the virtual commissioning allows to combine mechanics, electrical and automation systems. So we basically achieve the digital twin that allows to test certain machine functionalities and to verify initial optimization steps. This allows minimizing the risk for the real commissioning and helps to reduce errors. In addition, construction and programming teams can work in parallel and can combine their process in the digital model. This allows the end user to train the machine operators even before the real machine exists. So the second highlight we're going to presenting here at the NPE show is the Siemens cloud-based service called Mindsphere, which is more and more requested from our customers as an answer to the trend towards the Internet of Things or in Industry 4.0. Mindsphere, as I mentioned, is a cloud-based service. From a hardware standpoint, the only device that is really required is this IoT box that basically takes the data from the machine controller, encrypts them and sends them up to the cloud. An example for this is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance, for example, for motors and installed in a production process. Works with a simple Bluetooth sensor that is connected on, for example, the motor that is running, for example, or connected to a fan or pump, and is measuring the vibration data and sends those to the cloud. And then, based on the sequence of events, sends then, for example, emails or text messages to the user that the motor is out of a certain range and is about to fail in the next 40 hours of operation. Advantage here is to reduce significantly the downtime and of course also then cost savings. Yeah, thank you very much for stopping by here at the Siemens booth at the NPE show. If you are interested in more information, you can go to our website www.siemens.com/plastics. Thank you very much.